Albuquerque Florist is the proud Set Flowers sponsor for New Mexico Living.
All right, founded in 1906, Lieber's Luggage is a family-owned and operated business with a centuries-long tradition of excellence in travel goods.
To say the least, with roots in the great city of Cleveland, Ohio, and a strong presence in Albuquerque since 1978, Lieber's Luggage is committed to providing high-quality, durable, and affordable travel solutions. And they have a legacy collection that's the gold standard when it comes to travel luggage, and I'm going to test it out today. We are joined by Lieber's Luggage President Dustin Boyd and owner Felicia Boyd, highlighting the luggage options they have that are game changers when it comes to travel. Guys,
welcome back, guys.
Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Hello.
Okay,
It's good to be back.
You guys are probably wondering why I look like a human minion right now.
I'm here for it.
There's a reason for that.
Yes.
Talk to me about this.
So you are a Liebling today,
Yes.
and the Liebling is going to help us show you why our luggage is so durable.
Okay.
This is a polypropylene shell, and our claim to fame with our bags are they're repairable and very durable. So
Okay.
I'm glad
All
you're
right.
wearing your safety.
Let's get to it.
Here we go, guys.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no,
Dustin's mic's falling off with that.
So
It's
there we go.
okay.
All right, but we are going to test this, the durability.
Okay.
You are going to do. You are going to just jump
Perfect.
right in
Way
the
to
middle,
save it,
if you
Felicia.
will. Yeah,
Right
right
here?
there.
Okay,
I
want you
need
guys to
to
see this.
line up here.
Just so
You're
y'all
gonna be right
know,
here
just so
and
y'all know,
jump
I
right
am
there.
6'3", 225
take this.
pounds.
This is it.
So
We're gonna
these things
show
are durable. They
that-
say they are.
Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
You really
Doesn't
went
look
for
good.
it.
I did.
Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. But let me show you.
Okay, it's completely folded in. Looks like a very heavy man jumped on it.
It absolutely looks like it just collapsed. You're joking.
Whoa!
It's like good
So,
as new.
polypropylene shell. It is super durable. It is repairable. All the parts
the
can
spin.
go back in. So many people came by the booth. They saw our process. They were so excited about the repairability, the local story. You know, again, we're a small local business, and be able to do this is fantastic with your help. But we also brought some new travel tech.
Yes, we have new things, innovative things.
That's right.
Okay, what is this?
This is a clear stadium bag. So we get a lot of people coming into the store looking for clear bags for different purposes, concerts, what have you, games. So every so often we have people looking for a large backpack.
Yeah.
So this is our Lieber's Luggage Stadium large backpack, extra large.
The quality is absolutely
Yeah.
amazing on this bag, guys. Like you saw, my 225-pound body leaped into the air. I careened down onto this thing. It folded in, and then Dustin just popped it out. Bada boom, bada bing.
That's it.
Good to go.
Looks brand new.
I love the
Incredible.
tagline. And you were saying too, a lot of the people that came and stopped by your booth during the travel show, they loved that these are repairable.
Yes.
How different is that from other companies? I mean, do we see a lot of companies that are repairing their own luggage to give that like durability aspect?
There are some that do, but the thing with this bag is that we make it to repairing it easy.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times if you get like a suitcase, a spinner like this one with wheels, you're not able to access the screw that holds it together. So that holds it to the bag. So with these, we made them relatively easy for people to fix it themselves. Like we can send them a wheel, they could screw it back in with a regular screwdriver.
And here's the thing about
That's
this is
incredible.
this can take a lot of wear and tear as well. You know how you're in the airport. I know you guys have looked out the window from time to time and seen those guys checking your bag onto the, you know, that just happens. They're busy, it happens. Where are you guys located? What are your hours of operation?
6515 Manal Boulevard,
Okay.
Northeast. We're across from Coronado Mall, across from Furniture City at Manal in Georgia.
Yep.
And our hours are 10 to 5:30, Mondays through Saturday.
Friday, 10 to 5.
Monday through
Perfect.
Friday.
Sunday 11 to 4.
Sunday
And then every
11
day
to
at
4.
Liebers.com.
Every day
we're
at
local.
Liebers.com. That's where you can find all those hours of operations, address, get a look at kind of the stuff that they're selling there. The Boyds, friends of the show. We love
Thank
having you
you.
guys here.
Bye!
For more information
I'm going
on
on a
this
trip.
entire interview, you can head over to krqe.com and click on the New Mexico Living tab. Don't go anywhere. There is more New Mexico Living headed
He's
your way
a
after the break.
professional now.
First, though,
We'll
check
see
on your
you on
local
Sunday.
forecast.
It's now time for the National Roofing Weather Update.